Hello students, welcome back. What you didn't see behind the camera is the fact that I've been recording videos, and some of you have been with me here this first day of skinning and muscles. So now what I'm going to do is put the cat away. So we're going to look at some of those features when you think about cleaning up for a dissection on that. And again, just to make sure that you know what to do. I already have my tools on a paper towel sprayed down so I can get to there. So what I want to do as I step in and out of the camera is, with this, you'd need a second person, okay? But with this, my cat bag, okay, has an internal layer, and trying to hit that is going to be part of the issue that I'm going to have here, is just trying to get this cat in the bag by myself and not have it spill all over the floor. And then once I do that, any of the preservative that's inside is going to need to stay there. And the other part is I want to wrap the cat up. So what I've done is, you guys would use the lid. So what we would always do is the tray lid sitting somewhere, your bag would be in there, so the tray lid could catch any extra fluid from being all over the floor, okay? So with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to go to this table and try and bag the cat so you can see that. So we'll see how this plays out, okay? All right, now I'm over here. So I've got the cat, and I forgot the preservative. So I've got a small squeeze bottle of the cat preservative. Okay, and what I'm going to do is make sure to wet down the muscles of the cat. Okay, and then I'm going to take the skin from earlier, okay, and I'm going to wrap it back around the cat, okay, so that the cat stays preserved and not dry out. So I put the cape back on Super Kitty, and again, we're going to vote on the kitty's name. Okay, now the fun part, the two-person job. That there's only one Mr. Boyd, so this is hard to do, a cat dissection on quarantine. All right, so insert Lion King music here. All right, so let's see if I can get this cat up into the air without spilling it all over myself. All right, tail goes in first. Start to get the body in, and then there's the fun part. You got to be careful not to just let the cat go, okay, because it'll flop down. But I've got a good grip on it. Arms are in. Come on, kitty, cooperate. All right, the moment of truth. This is either going to slip out of my hands and fall down, and there we go. We got it. All right, kitty's in the bag. Yay! All right, and then again, what we would do is you put the tray lid on the floor, and then you're going to sit the cat's bag in it, and you're going to take your tray and tip it so that the fluids go inside the bag. I know you probably can't see this down low. It's working well, okay, but I can't do it up above my head. That's just too much, okay? And then I'm going to have to clean up the mat. So then with the cat bag, okay, we'll move closer, okay, got the cat in the bag. Okay, I'm going to tie this bag off, and then I'm going to put it into another bag, and the cat will be tied off twice. Okay, so therefore we'll have that double bag, and then finish cleaning up. So that's how we do that. So because this is a video, I'm going to put this off. I'm going to take off my glove and stop the video, maybe. All catted up. There we go. All right, kiddos, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.